Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Oba. Today I'm going to share with you how to make turmeric butter. You are all welcome back. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. So you will need 5 ounces of shea butter. If you are new here, please, you are welcome back and don't forget to subscribe. This recipe we only need 2 ingredients, that's shea butter and turmeric powder. Okay, so this one I want you to watch to the end because maybe some of you would like to buy the machine and make it yourself, and you are going to love the machine. I used to have it the level 1, and now I have the 2. I decided to buy the 2. I have been using it to make my infused oil for my hair and butter for my products. So let me show you. So what you need is a tea bag. This is an empty tea bag that I bought from Nature Garden, and you need turmeric. So you need 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. That's what I'm going to use. But because it's powder, if I don't put it in the tea bag, after it's infused, I will still see the powder in the oil, and I don't want any particles or the powders like the particles in it in the oil. So that's the reason why I'm putting it in the tea bag for infuse. Normally these tea bags are used to infuse powders in oils, but if your turmeric is not grounded like the powder one, then there's no need to put it in the envelope, the tea bag, for you to infuse. Just put it in the pot straight. So this is my level 2 machine. It's used for infusing oils and butters, and I love it. I really love it. I used to have the 1 and I fall in love with it, and this one too, I really love it. So you open the top, then you place the turmeric bag in the pot, you cover the pot, place the pot and close and lock it. So you close the top and lock it, turn on the level infusion, and so I select active and start the active cycle. You have to wait for 30 minutes so that it will heat the herbs. So after 30 minutes, you open the top. When completed, then you add your shea butter. If you are not using, like you want to infuse different things, you can choose to use oil. Even you can infuse honey with herbs in this machine. That's one thing I love about this machine. And the only thing that you can use to infuse herbs is alcohol. But apart from that, everything you want to infuse, you can use this machine. I bought this machine, I think $250. That $250. It's a little expensive, but it's good because sometimes when you are into cosmetics, you need to invest in the equipment that you use. You can't say you want to start skincare product or sell skincare product, then you don't have the equipment to manufacture them. You need to invest little by little, save towards it, and you can invest. I used to infuse my herbs using crook pot and even using direct heat, but this is the best way because normally you maintain more of the, like you maintain almost 90% of the nutrients in the oil more than using the direct heat and the crook pot. And this one to give you temperature. So as I'm infusing it, it's going to take me 2 hours to infuse this butter. And normally turmeric butter is made with shea butter. The research that I make earlier on, I found out that they infuse the turmeric oil in the butter to get the turmeric butter. So most time when you are buying cosmetic butters, you find turmeric butter and you say, I want this because there's a lot of nutrients in it. But it's so easy to make. You just need a shea butter or mango butter or the clear butters to infuse and get your turmeric butter. You can even make aloe vera butter. So easy. I know it's expensive for some of you, but some of you too can afford. If you can afford, please buy it. You love it, because I infuse it with honey and herbs, and I love it a lot. So you can see now my oil is ready, and you can see, so you pour it into a mold or a container. So you pour into a mold or container. You can just up the volume and read the screen to learn the process, because I think I talked too much and I didn't walk you through all the procedure. So you can read from the screen. So you let it sit until it harden, but I decided to put it in the fridge so that it can harden. Because of this video sake, I have to put it in the fridge, and after I put in there, this is what I got. If you don't put it in the fridge, the same time it can harden like this. So you unmold it, or you can choose to let it be in the container. I just wanted to show you how it look like. So you can use it to make lotion, body butters, hair product, a lot of things, and you are going to still get the nutrients in turmeric powder. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell. Bye bye.
Let's go.